Hey, come here.
That's your mom.
So what'd you do before the world ended?
I was kissing my wife, playing with my dog, wondering every day how I got so lucky.
You gotta have something to haunt you, right? Otherwise, you might get lonely.
We were born before the wind.
We have no idea what's out there.
What do you expect to find? Happy people everywhere. The world that was doesn't exist.
Also younger than the sun.
It's just us trying to hold on to what was. And everyone else.
Got to say
This world fits you, Bang. Wake up, defend, survive.
yeah, when that fall comes,
There's gotta be something better than this.
The dream.
I gotta hear it. I don't have to feel it. I've got empty soul.
Can we help them?
Yeah.
In the day, the road.
We have to stay alive.
I don't like the feeling of wondering whether or not you're gonna come back.
It takes a lot of faith to keep searching.